Sliding into DMs, the modern way of making a move. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's become incredibly popular in the digital age: sliding into the DMs. This term is widely used across social media platforms, and understanding its nuances can be very useful, especially if you're navigating the world of online communication. So, let's get started and uncover what it really means to slide into the DMs. DMs stand for direct messages. These are private conversations between users on social media platforms, such as Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and more. Unlike public comments or posts, DMs are seen only by the people involved in the conversation. This private nature makes DMs a popular choice for personal and more intimate conversations. To slide into the DMs means to send someone a direct message on social media with the intention of starting a private conversation, usually with a person one doesn't know very well or at all. This action is often associated with flirting or expressing interest in someone romantically. However, it can also be used for networking, making new friends, or simply reaching out to someone for a chat. Sliding into someone's DMs can be seen as an art form. It requires tact, respect, and a bit of creativity. Here are a few tips for those looking to master this art. Be genuine and respectful. Your first message should be polite and show genuine interest in the person. Avoid using cliches or pickup lines. These can come off as insincere or unoriginal. Comment on a shared interest. Mentioning something you both are interested in can be a great conversation starter. Keep it light. Start with a friendly tone to avoid coming off as too forward or intense. While sliding into DMs can lead to positive interactions, there are certain do's and don'ts to keep in mind. Do: be mindful of the other person's privacy and comfort. Don't: continue messaging if your initial DM is ignored. Respect the other person's choice not to engage. Do: take the conversation outside of DMs if both parties are comfortable, moving to more personal means of communication when appropriate. Don't: send inappropriate content or make unwelcome advances. Consent and mutual interest are key. Sliding into DMs has become a modern way to connect with others, whether for romantic reasons, networking, or just making new friends. Like any form of communication, it's important to approach it with respect, politeness, and a bit of courage. We hope this video helps you navigate the world of direct messaging with confidence and respect. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.